How's it going, everyone? Mick Ambrose from AllAboutTech. Welcome back to another video. Before I get into today's video, I've got a box down here, and stick around to the end and we will find out what is in this box. It was sent to me by a subscriber, by an ETN supporter, and I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside today. So Coinbene have literally just released a statement on Twitter and an update for ETN on the ETN integration, and it reads as follows: "Dear users, apologies for our delay. This is our first crypto note integration. Had issues during test. We have worked with ETN team to fix the issue and expect to be fully ready for listing on Thursday. As compensation, we are preparing a special offer. Thanks for your patience." And whilst it is very frustrating, yes, it's still before the end of. It's still going to be like a week ahead of schedule before the end of July, when they first announced integrating ETN. I just think that these pre-announcements are unnecessary, in my opinion. Just wait until they actually list. I know, like, people get impatient, but if you say by the end of July, they know then that they can't start complaining until the end of July. People, of course, are gonna be frustrated about this. They're gonna blame ETN for this. I don't see this as ETN's issue, to be honest with you. Other exchanges have integrated ETN fine. This was Coinbene's first crypto note coin that they have integrated. So of course it was a possibility that they were going to run into an issue. As far as I'm concerned, an extra 48 hours isn't gonna it's not gonna hurt me. So it's just something that we have to just move on with. At least they've updated the users, and we're still getting it before the end of the month. And as compensation, they're preparing a special offer for all of us in the community as well, which is great. A 48-hour delay, and we're getting a nice special offer for it. So it's not a bad turn of events. Moving on to the next topic for discussion today, I want to talk about FatBTC. They're doing their community coin vote again through Twitter, and basically just similar to the Binance one, just flood the ETN, flood the replies on that tweet with ETN, and retweet it. And with the attention ETN gave the Binance community vote, we should be able to do this as well, and get ETN onto another exchange. FatBTC, they're not a big exchange, only $25 million trade volume for 24 hours, but exchanges do add up. If you've got one exchange that gives us $5 million in trade volume, but then you've got another 100 exchanges that do like $300,000 per 24-hour trade volume, all those little exchanges add up, and it helps provide that stability and the liquidity for the market to prevent manipulation, etc. So that's fantastic. The Binance vote, we find out very soon. I think it's I can't remember the exact time. It's 0400 hours UTC time, I think. I don't know when that is in regards to when to UK time, but it's coming up. It's hours away, and hopefully we'll see ETN on that list of coins to be voted for coin of the month. If that happens, everybody get ready, vote the hell out of it, buy some BNB if you want to multiply your vote as well, and let's get ETN on these high profile exchanges. Same with the CoinEX exchange. Make sure you're all signed up on that exchange, ID verified. If the vote ends before your ID verified, that's okay. Just wait for the next vote. So it's all about preparing for the future, being organised, not procrastinating, and being productive. as a community. Another thing I want to talk about is the Bitcoin price at the moment. So Bitcoin made it through quite a tough resistance at $7,800, and it is currently trading now above $8,000. It's actually at $8,170. That's outstanding. I think I think we are on the cusp of a big bull run, and with the Bitcoin dominance at 47.1%, it's absorbing all of that power from the alts, and once this bull run starts, Bitcoin's going to go on a mad one, and then the alts are going to go on an epic mad one, as follows, because the alts go on an epic run after BTC does anyway. In terms of Electroneum, we saw huge amounts of growth yesterday for ETN in terms of price, up to nearly 0.014 cents. It's corrected back to around 1.3, which it's still good. It's still up over the last 7 days, which is absolutely fantastic. And it's all about that slow growth. Maybe the Coinbene delay has put a bit of a bummer on the price a little bit, but there's always going to be that bit of a correction. So yeah, things are looking very, very, very positive, guys. Very positive. And now that I've got all that good stuff out the way, just to go back to Coinbene, 48. It's Thursdays, like within 48 hours. It's not long to wait. And one thing I just want to touch up on quick is some of the behavior in Coinbene's Telegram chat. I understand impatience. I understand people waiting for ETN to be listed after it was announced that they were going to be listed. I just don't agree with some of the comments that were being put. Well, the spamming of Coinbene's Telegram chat. I didn't think it represented the ETN community well, and I think going forward, if we can not spam these Telegram chats, etc., and just let them get on with what they need to do, if they've released an update, then that's absolutely fine. They've now released that update. That's fine. Stop spamming the Telegram chat, because they probably don't appreciate it. I wouldn't appreciate it. Moving on to the exciting part, which is where I need to put my laptop over to one side and get this box out. Now, I hope it all fits on the screen. Oh, it does. And I've just knocked over this the Xiaomi box. But this box was sent to me by Jacqueline in the USA. She and her brother own a clothing store in America. Shout out to Jacqueline. She and her brother have made me AllAboutTech gear. The same person that made Sean from Crypto for the People stuff. And I've got all these goodies here. So I'm going to get my bag out, and then I'm going to show you guys what's been sent. And then there should be some extra as well after I take into consideration my family. There should be extra for a little giveaway for a couple of these. So, as you can see, black t-shirt with the AllAboutTech logo. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. To think about my YouTube channel and having clothing merch is just a weird thought, and I can't believe that I've actually got my own t-shirts now. Thank you so much. It's mental. It's absolutely mental. I'm going to go through and show you the different types of clothing. This is a baseball shirt, baseball styled shirt, long sleeve, AllAboutTech, grey sleeves, black body. grey body. Sorry, I'm partially colourblind. That's why I couldn't get in the Navy. But moving on. This is their label, TEO. Stands for Three Eagles Outfitters. Nice little logo on the front, another logo on the back. Absolutely fantastic. I've tried on all of them already, and they all fit beautifully. It's good quality material as well, which is good because it's just so much more comfortable. There's a lot of these companies that use these t-shirt printing businesses, and the shirts just feel uncomfortable and itchy on the skin. These do not. These feel really nice. These are comfortable. Here we go. I even got sent one Crypto for the People shirt. Absolutely fantastic. A picture of Sean Davis with loads of people in the background. Him with his fist like a boss. And that quite a bit was sent to me, to be fair. In terms of sizes, obviously, I'm as a t-shirt, I'm a medium because I've developed a little bit of a belly in the last couple of years, but it's just unreal. But there are some other sizes in there, so if you guys want me to give away a couple, I am more than happy to do so. Let me know in the comments below. That's just another black t-shirt. Oh yeah, I put one aside for my girlfriend. She really wanted one. And yeah, I will give some of these away. Another one, grey. This one's like a V-neck style, very soft, very comfortable. They don't have an online store, unfortunately, but I'll pop the website in the description. You can go check them out if they're in your area. I think West Virginia, I want to say. Crypto for the People. I'm not going to say the rest because I don't want to get done by Sean for copyright, for stealing his slogan. Getting towards the end now. In fact, we are at the end with the finale. And this one is probably going to be used the most, let's be honest. It is a hoodie, an AllAboutTech hoodie. Absolutely fantastic, really comfortable. It's 30-degree weather in the UK at the moment, so I'm not even going to be able to get a chance to wear this at all. Like, I'm already sweating just doing this video. But that was what's in this bag. This bag was my bag, all my sizes. But there's two more bags with more sizes in. There's small and large. In terms of mediums, I'm sorry, I'm the medium. But let me know in the comments below if you would like me to give a couple of these away. I'm more than happy to do so, as long as the shipping charges aren't ridiculous, as I did have to pay customs tax on these. But I'm not going to put them in the bag now, that's just stupid. But if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the AllAboutTech channel. Loads of cool stuff coming, and I'll catch you guys out in the next video. Peace out.